Very good morning, students. Welcome to Gnan Manjari Vidyapeeth Mahua ऑनलाइन डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म. एज यू नो, आई एम योर साइंस टीचर वत्सल त्रिवेदी और आज हम देखने वाले साइक्लोन वाले चैप्टर के अंदर हमने काफ़ी सारा कुछ देख लिया है. सो आज के सेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले लेट्स सॉल्व सम क्वेश्चन आंसर. So here first is a NCERT exercise page number 92 to fill in the blanks. So fill the missing words in the blank spaces in the following statements. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये फर्स्टली इंस्ट्रक्शन दे देता हूँ, जो भी एनसीईआरटी हो या प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस हो, सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको एज होमवर्क आपके फेयर बुक के अंदर विथ प्रॉपर हैंड राइटिंग लिखकर फोटोग्राफ्स क्लिक करना है और देन आफ्टर सेंड इट टू मी एज होमवर्क. इट इज कंपल्सरी फॉर यू ऑल पीपल. So now let's solve the fill in the blanks. So blank number D is that air moves from a region of a blank pressure to a region of the blank pressure. So air moves from the higher region to a lower region. So answer is high pressure to the low pressure region. Next one is question number 5. Same it is NCERT exercise. If you have NCERT book, so please open, otherwise you can directly solve through this video. Explain why halls are made in hanging banners एंड होल्डिंग्स. आपने काफ़ी इस टाइम देखा होगा कि जो बैनर होते हो या होल्डिंग्स होते हैं जो बाज़ार में अवेलेबल होते हैं, काफ़ी सारे जगह पर एडवर्टाइजिंग बैनर्स लगे हुए थे, तो वो बैनर्स के अंदर आप देखोगे तो उसके अंदर हॉल क्रिएट करे होगे. सो ऐसा क्यों होता है? सो हॉल्स आर मेड इन हैंगिंग बैनर्स एंड द होर्डिंग्स टू द reduce the air pressure extend on them. The air gets some spaces to pass through the at the hall, reducing the pressure exerted on the banners. So, thus, the holes prevent the banner or hoardings from being blown away with the wind. Now, next, it is a practice question number 10.1 on your supplementary book, page number 15. So SB 15 के पर available practice questions है जो complete this statement given below. When wind speed is high, air pressure is low. So first आएगा high, second is low. Air moves from a region where air pressure is blank high to a region where air pressure is low. Next आएगा practice question number 10.2 on your SB 15. Question is that why do roofs made out of the tin sheets often fly over during a storm? During a storm, the wind speed is very high. An increase the wind speed is accompanied by a reduced air pressure. When high wind speed blow over the roof of buildings, a low pressure zone is created or the loft. वहाँ पे कैसा create होगा pressure? It is a low pressure. So air moves from the region of a pressure to the region of the low pressure. Hence, the moving air pushes the tin roof off. Hence, if roofs are made up of weak material like a tin, they are often to fly away during a storm. So ये answer आएगा, you have to write in your fair book. Now next, practice question number 10.3 on your SB 13. Here, figure number 70 shows a child blowing air into the straw 1 over the opening of a straw 2, which has its other end in a bottle containing the juice. The level of juices in straw 2 rise, then which of the following best explain this rise in the level of juice in a straw 2? सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज दैट व्हेन एयर इज ब्लोन, जब हवा उसके अंदर हम ब्लो करेंगे तो प्रेशर ओवर स्ट्रो 2 इज डिक्रीज। सो जो दूसरी वाली स्ट्रो है उसके अंदर प्रेशर कैसा होगा, डिक्रीज होगा। सो इट इज अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन, because when air is blown the pressure over the straw 2 is decreased, which is turned to makes the level of juice straw 2 is rise। तो ये उसका रीजन भी हो गया। Now the next topic is destruction caused by the cyclones. So destruction due to the cyclones. Cyclones are associated with the strong winds and the heavy rainfall, which cause immense destruction. First, cyclone Fani. Fani नाम का तूफान आया था in 2019. So cyclone Fani in the Bay of Bengal hit eastern coast of India on 3rd May 2019. लास्ट पिछले ईयर 2019 3rd मई के अंदर साइक्लोन फैनी नाम का तूफान आने आया था। सो इट हैज अ स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट साइक्लोन इंडिया हैड सीन इन द लास्ट 20 years। सो उसकी वजह से क्या क्या नुकसान हुआ था, डिस्ट्रक्शन क्या क्या हुआ था, यू कैन सी थ्रू द इमेजेस। Around the 72 people were killed by the cyclone Fani in India 2019. In Odisha, a teenager was killed after the being hit by the falling tree. A woman died when she was hit by the flying debris. The supply of electricity and telecommunication facilities were advisory affected in the several coastal affected of Odisha and the West Bengal during the cyclone Fani. Puri and Khordha district in Odisha were affected the most, and the total damages in Odisha were estimated around rupees 120 billion, mostly in property damage। 120 बिलियन की जो डैमेजेस हुई थी, टोटली प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज हो गई थी, से इतना नुकसान हुआ था एट द साइक्लोन फैनी। After the cyclone, Odisha required around 117 billion for a rebuilding the infrastructure and the affected people। सब कुछ वापस पहले जैसा करने में 170 बिलियन रुपए लगे थे। There was a massive environmental deviation as well. A lot of damage was caused to tree, soil, and the forest, river, and another source of water contaminated due to the cyclone. Now, now you have to do this group discussion with your family also based on the information given on the cyclone Fani in your groups, and discussed and list ways in which damage from the cyclone can be prevented or the minimized, and the measure that the need to be the taken after a cyclone. Now the next topic is cyclones do's and don'ts। क्या ड्यूरिंग साइक्लोन हमको क्या क्या करना है और क्या क्या नहीं करना है। सो cyclones are a natural phenomenon which causes the damage of life and property. Since the cyclone cannot be avoided, we should aware the certain measure we should take. So during cyclone हमको क्या क्या चीज़ करनी चाहिए और क्या क्या नहीं करनी चाहिए, ये हम ये वाले टॉपिक के अंदर डिस्कस करेंगे। So first we can divide the before the cyclone during the cyclone and after the cyclone. We can divide it three points, before, during एंड आफ्टर. उसके मुताबिक हम लोग कुछ प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं. सो बिफोर द साइक्लोन, check this, secure the house, repair any loose tails, doors और windows. सब कुछ चीज हमको एक बार चेक कर लेनी चाहिए और उसको प्रॉपरली क्लोज्ड कर देना चाहिए. Clean up the area around your home, remove the debris, unnecessary construction materials, loses in tin sheets, etc. वो सारी जो नॉन यूज अननेसेसरी जो चीज है वो उसको हमको दूर कर देनी चाहिए, उसको रिमूव कर देना चाहिए, क्लीन कर देना चाहिए. नाउ नेक्स्ट, ट्रिम द वीक और द डेड ट्रीज ब्रांचेस. जो वीक और डेड ट्री ब्रांच होती है उसको भी रिमूव कर देना चाहिए, ट्रिम कर देना चाहिए. स्टॉक अप ऑफ बैटरी एंड टॉर्च. बैटरी और टॉर्च की स्टॉक कर लेनी चाहिए. Store medicines and the food item that have a long shelf life. खाने के लिए और कुछ खाना, पानी, दवाई और बैटरी जो डेली यूजेस के लिए जो नेसेसरी चीज़ है, सारी चीज़ हमको स्टोर कर लेनी चाहिए बिफोर द साइक्लोन. Why it is important to repair any loose tile, doors or windows of house in a cyclone before the cyclone. So क्या आएगा आंसर? Because cyclones are by the strong wind and heavy rains. When they passes over the house, they create of a low pressure area outside of the house. The air inside the house is at the comparatively high pressure. If there are any loose tiles, doors or windows, they will be blown off due to the pressure difference may harm people or animals. During the cyclone, listen the radio and for warnings and the updates and passes on information due to other. We can pass 3 SMS also or information. ड्यूरिंग द साइक्लोन हमको बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए. ओनली ट्रस्ट ऑन योर ऑफिशियल इंफॉर्मेशन. ऑफिशियली जो अनाउंसमेंट हो उस पर ही हमको अप्लाई करना चाहिए, उसके इस पर ही हमको ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए. कोई अफवाहों से दूर रहना चाहिए. स्विच ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिकल मेन्स ड्यूरिंग द साइक्लोन. जो मेन स्विच होती है उसको बंद कर देना चाहिए. स्विच ऑफ द गैस कनेक्शन. गैस कनेक्शन को स्पेशली उसको बंद कर देना चाहिए. Do not drink a water that could be contaminated and do not enter the damaged buildings. damaged buildings के अंदर जाना नहीं चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, ये चीज है आफ्टर द साइक्लोन. देन आफ्टर द साइक्लोन, cooperate with the friends, family and रेस्क्यू ऑपरेटर्स. जो लोग रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन कर रहे हैं उसको हमको हेल्प करनी चाहिए, उसको कोऑपरेट करना चाहिए. स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द फॉलन पावर लाइन्स एंड डू नॉट टच वेट switches or wires. So now, as I summarize the all things that before the cyclone, check this source, check and secure the house, clean up the area around the home, trim weak trees, branches, stock up of batteries and some store extra food items. Then during the cyclones, pass the trusted information to the others and do not venture out and switch off the electric and gas connections. And after the cyclones, do not enter the damaged buildings, stay away from the fallen power lines, and the cooperate with the friends, family, and rescue operators. Let's solve the practice question number 11.1 and 11.3. First, which of the following is not a precautions that needs to be taken during the thunderstorms? It is in your SB 17, practice question number 11.1. So the correct option, do not take shelter in a bus. Next, 11.3, why is it not advised to close all doors and windows during the storm? During the storm, heavy winds are passing over the house, create a low pressure outside at home. So, air pressure in the house at comparatively is a high pressure, and thus tries to move outside. In the process, if doors and the windows are closed, the air at high pressure forces to the doors and the windows to open, thereby breaking them. So, it is not advisable to close all doors and windows during the storm. आज के ये वीडियो के अंदर हमने जो भी प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन है और एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए, वो सारे क्वेश्चन आपको एज होमवर्क आपकी फेयरबुक में विथ प्रॉपर हैंड राइटिंग लिखना है. देन आफ्टर क्लिक द फोटो ऑफ योर homework and send it to me. It is compulsory from all students. So now, if any types of doubt, please ask me. I will definitely solve your doubt. अभी हम आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. We will meet with a new topic, new science, with new activity with next day. So अभी के लिए stay happy, stay home. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. Fun with science. Enjoy the science.